Hello, language explorers. It's me, Anne, from Walk a Day English, where we provide daily walk themes combined with English language learning. If you are new to WADE, check out our welcome video to see how it all works. Today, we're stepping outside to discover stunning street art and explore how themed vocabulary and the colors all around us can make your English learning vibrant and memorable. If you want to boost your vocabulary and describe the world more clearly, you're in the perfect place. Why learn vocabulary in random lists when we can make real life connections with themed vocabulary words? Today we're going to talk about the 5 benefits of themed vocabulary. Learning vocabulary in themes supercharges your English in a number of ways. First, contextual learning. Words make more sense when you see them together in real settings, like noticing all the words related to street art on your walk. Better memory. Grouped vocabulary is easier to remember and recall when you need it. Deeper understanding. Seeing how words fit together strengthens your ability to express bigger ideas and spot common patterns. Personal engagement. Themes tied to your interests, like art, nature, or city life, keep you motivated to learn more. Cross-skill practice. Themed learning helps you practice speaking, listening, reading, and writing as you use new words in conversations, journaling, and real observation. Imagine picking a theme like street art or trees or circles. You'll naturally learn words for shapes, scenes, tools, expressions, plus colors, emotions, and even city vocabulary. This approach builds a web of understanding, not just word lists. Don't stress about learning everything all at once. Just pick a theme that excites you. It can be a walk-a-day English theme or one of your choosing. Let us know what theme you choose in the comment section. Each new word and connection will make English more fun and natural for you. Are you ready to paint richer pictures with your words? Color is your magic tool. Here's how to bring your walk and your journal to life with color. So first, we can use simple colors. So we could say, I saw a red mural on a brick wall. So we have red, we have orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple. We can use compound colors. Compound hues for detail. For example, a blue-green swirl decorated the corner. So we're combining those colors together from the simple ones. We can also add gradation and intensity. These add shades for mood. So for example, the sky had a pale yellow glow, making the art look even brighter. So some examples here would be light and pale. They're similar in style, but we can use those words to describe a color. So a light yellow or a pale yellow. We could say a soft yellow, or we could go to the opposite and go for a deep yellow. Vivid yellow will be nice and bright, so a bright yellow. A dark yellow and a rich yellow are going to be similar. They're going to be a heavier, darker color. Intense will be similar to your vivid and bright. And muted is going to be a softer color, not very bright, similar to our pale or light colors. Another way we can use color to describe what we see is to create an atmosphere or a setting. So we use colors to set a scene. So for example, the alley was filled with warm orange and glowing purple paintings, making the space feel alive and warm. So words like this, warm, will suggest cozy, inviting, like a warm yellow kind of makes you think of a fire. Cool evokes calm or chill. Misty creates a soft, foggy mood. Glowing implies that there's something bright or warm. Shadowy conveys mystery or a dim light. Faded gives us a sense of age or quietness. Dull is for something that's muted and subdued atmospheres, so not bright and shiny. And glistening. Glistening highlights sparkle or wetness. These words help set the tone and mood when describing colors in different environments and scenes during your walks for journaling. How to use these in your journal or walk is by paying attention to the colors around you on traffic boxes, walls, benches, doors, animals, everywhere. Then try describing what you see with combinations. So the artist painted with a rich turquoise, soft pink, and stormy gray. Maybe with a walking buddy, challenge each other to use new color phrases. For example, can you find something emerald green or rosy pink? It's okay if your descriptions are simple at first. We all have to start somewhere. Each attempt makes your English richer. Just keep trying every day. Remember, you can download today's PDF guide linked in the description. All this information and some journaling questions are there to guide you through today's walk and journal entry. Do you want to sound more fluent and natural? Let's practice shadowing. Shadowing means listening to my sentences and repeating them aloud right after me, kind of like an echo. It's a fun, proven way to improve your pronunciation, rhythm, and confidence. Try it now with my journal entry and replay my sentences as many times as you like. You'll be amazed at how quickly you start using those new words about color, and your sentences will become much more vivid. Let's take a look at my journal. Finding painted traffic boxes is one of my favorite things to do in Toronto. They are always changing, appearing, and disappearing. This one is amazing. On one side are bright, warm yellows, pinks, and purples surrounding a realistically painted brown and white deer. There is a light blue heart between its antlers. On the other side are cool blues and greens surrounding a black, gray, and white raccoon. It looks like it's walking on a wire. This one is the opposite of the last traffic box. It has dark colors that are dull and shadowy. This is a wrap versus being painted. It is one that is repeated all around the city. It has a graffiti look. These boxes are part of the Outside the Box program. Artists compete for these boxes each year. It was started in 2013. This one is from 2024. It has vivid pink flowers on a background of light blue. Unfortunately, I didn't take a picture of the other side. The artist painted an intensely colored blue jay there. This box is one of my favorites, and I show it to everyone I walk with. Actually, this is a set of two. It looks like a series of dark circles painted on the box. However, when you hold up your camera to it, the optical illusion reveals people. The two boxes each have two people. These four people have all been on the Canadian $10 bill at one point in time. This face with the soft muted colors belongs to James Gladstone, an Indigenous senator from the 1950s to the 70s. This second vase has darker colors mixed with bright yellow reds, is Sir Georges Etienne Cartier. He is one of the fathers of Confederation when Canada became a country in 1867. You're ready to head out and make English learning a vibrant part of your day. Each walk is a new chance to see, describe, and connect with the world using themed vocabulary and colorful expressions. So grab your shoes and your journal, go for a walk in your space, and let's keep learning and exploring together, one theme at a time. If you would like to get personalized feedback on your journal entry, become a WADE member by signing up on our website. Take a look at the next video for another great Walk-A-Day English language adventure. If you liked this video and would like to see more, click on the subscribe button. Until our next walk, stay safe and go explore your space, one word at a time.